Good morning.
Good morning, Dr. Brooks.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So what you looking at?
Well, just now I'm getting another slide out.
Brooke Moreno just graduated from high school and plans to attend the University of Arizona this fall. However, she's already part of a research project battling diabetes.
I'm not even a freshman technically yet, and I already have lab experience. There's juniors who are just coming into the lab and just getting their experience, and I already have it. I'm already one step ahead of the game, if not more.
Moreno is one of 22 high school students participating in a program, Keep Engaging Youth in Science, or KEYS. It's a collaboration with the Bio5 Institute, the College of Pharmacy, and the Southwest Environmental Health Sciences Center. Students apply from local high schools.
We look at not just the GPA and the test scores, but also why the students are interested in doing this program and what their science background is and what their motivation is.
Kevin Hall is Director of Research Training and Career Development at Bio5. After students are selected for the 6-week internship, they work under the guidance of U of A researchers.
The mentors, we try to go with faculty members that have sort of a track record in doing outreach and doing a lot of one-on-one mentorship with students. And not just graduate students, but also undergraduates and other people who have worked with high school students in the past. It really takes someone who can devote a lot of time and a lot of energy into working with these students and sort of training them in their very first lab experience.
Students pick from a variety of research fields. A few examples: genetics, computational biology, and toxicology. Moreno is interning with microbiologist Dr. Hethwin Brooks. Dr. Brooks' work focuses on the toll diabetes takes on the kidneys, especially in older women.
What we've done is take kidneys from menopausal animals, and we've taken them from diabetic animals, and we're measuring how the kidneys change. So she's actually using the computer to look at the kidneys under the microscope and then measure how the size of the kidney changes, each unit of the kidney, how it gets damaged.
It's just the second week of the KEYS program, and already Moreno's a team member.
When I first came into the lab, I thought I was going to be doing kind of my own thing, not really important, a part of the project. But I definitely am. I'm a part of the project. I'm specifically reading the glomeruli of sample cells, and these are water-absorbing cells that are affected from diabetes. And I am specifically measuring them and comparing them to control samples and the postmenopausal samples that are being affected. And it's really cool because now we're going to be able to read the data that I'm producing and from that read how women are affected, and it's going to help improve life and hopefully fight diabetes.
The number of students in the U.S. pursuing careers in science and technology is shrinking, and it's a national concern. One reason, many kids just don't know what a scientist does.
I'd say I was one of those students. I'd stereotyped it, as most kids do, that it's a lot of boring math and science, but it's a lively subject, and it's constantly changing, and there's so many aspects and fields to it. It's so much more. It's hands-on, and it's applying yourself and applying what you know, and science is such a broad field, and there's so many things you can do in it.
The KEY program almost ended this year because of budget cuts, but support from outside sources, including many private donors, kept the project alive. Hall says for many students, this is a transforming experience. And it's not just the confidence they gain in the lab. At the end of their internship, they must present their findings just like a true and seasoned professional.
All the students get together and they present their research, they present their data and their findings, basically on a big poster, which is sort of the standard means of presenting scientific information at conferences. And so they talk about what they did, why they did it, how they did it, and what the results were to not only their friends and family and peers, but also to faculty members here around campus and U of A administration, deans, department heads, etc. So they're really being able to communicate what they did throughout the summer to the academic community.
There we go.
It's much better.